Hi, my name is Felipe Carrera. I'm JCI Training Commissioner for Europe, and I'm here with Yas from Japan, a very famous trainer from Japan. And we were talking about the role of the trainer as an ambassador of JCI.
Right.
Yeah. What is your view about that?
Well, being a JCI trainer, we have to be ambassador and, one in not charge or motivate members, particularly, especially for young members, to motivate in a JCI JCI. Well, so my philosophy is that I love JCI, not love, I like or I commit myself to JCI. And, participants can feel my attitude to JCI and my emotion to passion to them.
So that's one of the things that is in your trainings constantly.
Right.
People cannot dissociate your trainings from JCI because of your passion about JCI.
Right. So being a JCI trainer, I am requesting my younger JCI trainers to be a passionate person in the JCI itself. Not only in the training field, but also at the local activities, local doings, local things they are doing on a daily basis. So that's what I'm requesting.
Thank you very much, Yas.
Thank you. ありがとうございます。
ありがとうございます。